This is a Homestead Whisperfan 1 ceiling fan. It is dated 1981. I got this fan new old stock from a local lighting showroom. There were 3 of these, 2 in antique brass, 1 in polished brass. I'm keeping this one for myself, and I'm sending the other 2 to other fan collectors. It's got a GE motor and a variable speed control. And the blades are not Homestead blades, they're NAFCO blades, North American Fan Co. But they fit. They're the same spacing as Casablanca or Hunter blades. So, oh, and it has a metal flywheel. So we'll go ahead and start it up on the slowest speed, which is crawling slow. And it's not wanting to start. There. And we'll go ahead and turn it up a quarter turn. And another quarter turn. And one more. This fan is not as loud as I thought it was going to be with the metal flywheel and the variable speed control. It's actually reasonably quiet. Just a little buzz. No big deal. It has a slight wobble too, but that's no big deal either. Once I finish this video, I'm just going to take it down and put it back in its box anyway. And we'll turn it to high. And this thing pushes some serious air. Now this is not one we've seen before. This one has a plain sideband. Usually the ornate Homesteads have a ornate sideband, or a filigree sideband, or whatever you want to call it, but this one doesn't. And neither does the other antique brass one, but the polished brass one has an ornate filigree sideband. So I don't know what went on here, but I guess it's a little bit rare. Nice view here. Panoramic view, as Brian Hicks would say. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video.